This takes me right back to when I was a kid, and I used to light barbecues with my old man back in the day when we had barbecue in the back of the garden. It was actually a pre-built barbecue, and we used to use those Lions coffee tins, which were a lot bigger than these sort of baked bean tins, which is what this is here. And taking the top and the bottom off, giving it a clean out, burning it through so you didn't have any of that resin on the inside of the can, filling it with charcoal, a bit of wood underneath it just to get it going, and there's your forerunner to what we would now recognise as a modern day charcoal starter. This, if you're doing a small little barbecue, I mean we're just doing a couple of burgers on this tonight, is absolutely perfect. It gets the barbecue going. You can see in the very top there, those coals are now red hot. I'm going to take this off with some tongs and then that'll be ready to cook on. We'll do that in a sec.
Well, there you go. I hope you liked the video. Do leave us your comments and let me know if you've tried this technique yourself, how successful you were, whether you've got any tips to improve it. That would be always great to hear from. If you like the video, please do consider a subscription. Click that bell icon if you want to be notified of any future content. In the meantime, folks, see you on the next one. Take care.